about the hui is the food. It was really nice. I like the dinners the most. Really filled me up. I also like the bands. Yeah, they were cool. Same tune every year, but I never get sick of it.
Hi, my name is Cypress, and what I liked about the 25th was pretty much everything. I like coming here every year, and because this was the first time I brought my partner here, and he's a whole different culture from being Māori and everything, and yeah, it was a good experience for him, and I'll be back with 3 of us instead of 2. Yeah, kia ora.
Hi, my name's Anna Moroa Kimi. I'm from here and from Angakahia. The 25th this year was pretty cool, pretty small day. Not as much as last year and the year before that, but yeah, had pretty fun times.
Kia ora, ko Eila toku ingoa. The PA, 25th of Jan 2013. I think it was awesome to be back. I missed last year, so I couldn't wait to be back to come and be with the whānau and come down here and get healed. My thoughts on the hui. I think it was a lot smaller compared to 2 years ago. Not as much people and not as much rangatahi things like they used to organise. Like all the the activities they used to have in the tents, makis over here, and the movies and the sports. Even the sports, they only had like basketball and touch, but usually they have volleyball and table tennis. So I was a bit bummed about that. I hope they started up again. I'm not sure if they will. But besides that, the hui was awesome. The talent quest was awesome. It was a lot better, not as much dramas that I hear about. Hey, all the fighting that sometimes the kids do. We always have a good time when we come here. My kids love it. All the kids love it. Come down here for a good holiday and they learn about the maramatanga. It's awesome.
Kia ora Tiwi, ko hakupa tēnei, hono re mema o te reo omeka. E nāku nei whakaaro tēnei hui, he pai te oranga, pai te āhuatanga i ngā Morehu e puta noa ki te mutu e hoki mai ki tēnei pāonga ariki, hei āwhina tia te kaupapa, pai te huhinga e oku nei whakaaro. Nō reire i ako tau, he manaakitanga i a tātou, i roto te tini manaakitanga, te ingoa tapu o te matua, te tama te wairu tapu ngā ne hera kono, koera ta manga hei tautoko mai ni āki ni ā.
Kia ora whānau, Piripono's the name, born and bred out the PA, bit of an evaluation on the 25th, mate, she was pretty hot. It was good hui, lot of interaction, eh? We had a few ups and downs during the hui, but mahi goes on, eh? Big ups to those who have turned up. You know, it's harder for our people, you know, to get around our country now, but it's still good to see the love from our Morehu that can make it, and you know, we do whakapū kia ora for those who can't, those numbers that we are losing, but it was a good cause this year, and I hope next year gets better, especially for our rangatahi. But in the end, it was a good year, filled up my bottle. Now it's time to go home and spread the bottle with everyone else. Manga tūtukoa.
Hi, my name is Jeremy. I like the disco and I like the shops because I eat heaps.
Ko hena re taku ingoa, no puki koe a hau. Been playing in the reo for a while now, for about 11, 12 years. I enjoy it every year. I never miss it, never like to miss coming here and playing in the reo. Only one left from Pukikoe playing so far, but hopefully we'll get everyone back up and running again. I enjoy coming down here every year. It's lovely, it's just a paradise, home away from home. Yeah, a haven down here, it's awesome.
Kia ora, my name is Kawhata Mahana Kemp. I'm from Hawke's Bay, and this is my first year here. And next year, hopefully, to be playing with Hamuera, I want to be in the band. It's been choice, I love it here. I don't really want to go home. Yeah, just around it. I had a good weekend here, and it's choice.
Kia ora, Les Edmonds here. Was a pretty inspiration hui. I just loved hearing what Rua had to say to the maybe the next Prime Minister, to Shera. And it was interesting listening to John Keys. He had a pretty good speech, but he needs it though. And awesome seeing the kingitanga here. It's like I said, we've got to come together. Come together as one nation. We can move forward.
Hi, my name is Peter Phillips, and my thoughts on the 25th this year was that it was a bit unorganised, but once it hit the night time with me, and as usual it's always fun. It's just maybe sports next year.
Good up, my name is Troy Cassidy. I'm here down at the Ratana Paz, the 26th today. My ideas of this hui was that everyone from around the whole world comes to enjoy the Morehu life.
Kia ora, my name's Taniora. I'm obviously here with the Tumwaki as well. I also play for Te Reo Piriwiri Tour. Just my thoughts on the hui. It's been awesome to be with all the bands, you know, and listening to the kōrero that's been around in the marae has been awesome. And also can't forget the mints that makes the place as well in the manawa. Beautiful, beautiful. But yeah, no, it's been a really good trip, and hope to see everybody here next year as well.
Kia ora, welcome to Ratanapa. Anyway, we're in front of the temple, and I was just saying to the brother with the talk yesterday with Ruya. Ruya mentioned things about how the temple was made for all the people of the world, and I so have to agree with him. And that's what our young people want to hear. When the Potros are speaking, I think listening to our young people in a crowd yesterday, they're all saying, "This is what we want to hear. We want to hear a history of our church, what it's all about, how it's made for all people of the world, not just for the Māori people, but all races of the world. Muslim, as Ruya said, the Muslim people, the Catholics, the Protestants, the Baptists. So this church is designed for all people of the world. It looks like every other church in the world combined together. So you got probably 6 or 7 churches designed into one church. Anyway, kia ora, you guys, mangai piki ora to everybody out there.
Kia ora, my name's Rangimari Emmanuel. I live in Wanganui, but spend a lot of my time out here at the park. What did I like about the hui? I think this was an awesome hui, mainly because so many people, different churches, different ethnic people. You know, we had the Indians, and I mean red Indians, and had the Anglican ministers. That was a great thing to see, and probably other ministers from other churches too, because I saw a couple of our pastors from the churches here in Wanganui, and also the Japanese. That was a real thrill this time to see all that. And you know, it just raises some things about what the Papa said about different people from different roads coming to Ratana. So his kōrero and all the things he told us through his ministry seem to be coming to fruition. And the one thing that I saw this weekend was the kotahitanga of everybody, of all the iwi movements combining with the Ratana movement under the banner of iwa, which is really what our founder wanted, for all of us as Māori to come together under the one true God.
Kia ora whānau, ngā mihi o te wā kia koutou, ngā whānau Morehu whānui, ko Pāui wini atu ko ingoa, I whānau mai ai no te hāpua, engari e noho ana ahau ki kirikiri roa, tētahi āpotoro wairua o te pāriha o Tāmihi Glenenas, I hoi anō ke te mihi. Tino hari ana te koa te ngākau, ka hoki mai ahau mea aku nei tamariki, ki te noho ki te pā o ngāriki, tino humari e ka tūgi I mui a koutou, ko te tumanako, kia whai hoki mai ngā Morehu katoa, ki te hāpai tēnei taonga o tō mātou nei pāpā tau pōtiki Wiremu Ratana, o te rā te Morehu whānui, mai hoki mai ki tō mātou nei pā, kia kaha ki te hāpai o rātou nei taonga e waihotia a tō tātou nei pāpā. Huri no i tō koutou whare, nā manakitanga ki tēnā o tātou katoa. Whakahoki ngā kārere o ngā anehira ki mua, ki muri, koti ki a tātou katoa. Huri no Aotearoa me te ao katoa. Nunga te ingoa ka ho te mato tama wairua tapu me ngā anehira pono. Te māngai whakawairua mai nei te mparo i hoi ngā katoa ai nea.
Kia ora, ko Rima Jackman tōku ingoa, no Waikato hau. I thought this hui was beautiful. It's my second one here and I've loved it. Everybody's on a beautiful buzz and yeah, it's meant to be with all the whānau.
Kia ora whānau, my name's TJ Williams. How I thought this 25th it went pretty good. Numbers need a bit of work, but there's quite a lot of inspiring talk that went around today, all the days during the hui, and a lot of awesome speakers came. The Japanese came for the first time in how long? The bro Ruia gave some real inspiring kōrero over these past few days. Met a lot of nice people, a lot of good people of old friends. And with most of the talk that's been going on, it seems it's going to be a real good year. So going to have to look forward to a lot of good stuff happening this year.
Tino pai tēnei kaupapa. Ko ngā kōrero ana, e pānaki ki ngā ture mai rāno. Tino pai rawa atu te hui me ngā tangata e noho ana konei, me ngā tangata kei tā wāhi, e haramai konei ki te noho tahi kei wanginui o ngā Māori katoa, ka potahitanga te hui nei, tino pai rawa atu, tēnā rā koutou.
My name's Hemi Morehu, I'm from Wairoa, Hawke's Bay. I've had a good time at the hui. I've been out for about 6 years and it's beautiful. I'm a band member of Hamuera and yeah, had fun.
My name is Stanley and I thought this hui was pretty good, but like it was tiring. Yeah, pretty tiring, but it was worth it though. Pretty good. Yeah.
Te tonu ngā whakamoemiti, ngāri ki ngā wakatoa, mā ngai tautuko ane ake ne ai. E hali ane koana mo ngā tohu o te hui nei. Pai no tāku, we are survivors of revelations. We've survived, we're still alive, and it ain't finished yet. Hoki mai tātou ki tō tātou pā, te pā o ngāriki. And let's all get ready for our centennial in 2018. Kia ora tātou māngai ai, tautoko mai ai nea ki nea.